Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Chain. This is a potential free airdrop, it's not confirmed, and this is when blockchain meets sustainability. Chain is a layer 1 AVM compatible smart contract platform that focuses on developing a for-benefit blockchain ecosystem based on the Sustainability Development Goals, SDGs, defined by the United Nations. Very interesting project that we are going to cover today, and like always guys, if it's your first time here, I do a little of research of the project and then I go directly to the step by step. I always do tutorials step by step on how to participate on the airdrops, so you don't need to go around researching everything. I already did that for you, so you follow my steps and you are going to be in the best position for this airdrop. Very interesting project with a really nice funding rounds and a lot of followers already, but it's very under the radar. So let's get into this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, Chain is a layer 1 blockchain ecosystem designed with economic and environmental sustainability at its core, and is one of India's fastest growing unicorns, enabled by a community of people worldwide. Chain is a tier 1 high-performance distributed computing platform with lavish runtime functionalities oriented towards sustainability at the consensus level. Chain intends to be the lending blockchain ecosystem to solve sustainability issues with its core technology, Proof of Fire, which integrates sustainability and social impact at the consensus mechanism level by economically rewarding companies for their sustainability practices. FIRE stands for Fifth Industrial Revolution. So, like you can see, this is a very prominent project with a big sustainable concept behind it. This is not only to see if proof of stake is more environment friendly than proof of work. This is completely different. This is a complete blockchain layer 1 solution built with the core on sustainability and care of the ecosystem in the core of this project. Some interesting facts is that they raised a total of 121 million so far. It was a Series A where they reached 100 million led by SRAM and MRAM, and a seed round with 21 million led by the launch pool. A token for this project is confirmed. The airdrop is not confirmed, but we are speculating because they launched already a testnet. And Chain token generation event will occur once the mainnet has been successfully launched. And some of the rumors is most likely it will happen after Q3 on this year. So this is the only bad thing that I will say about this review on this project. We still need to start doing stuff in the testnet, but we are probably more than 7 months apart from the generation of the tokens. So that means we are not going to see any airdrop before that date. So keep that on mind. So probably we are going to have to do more stuff over time for this airdrop. But again, I will cover it of course. And in terms of community, it's a very big project guys. And shout out to my Discord channel. If you are not subscribed there, I recommend you to check my subscriptions. I have a Discord, a private Discord where we cover many airdrops and different distributions. And I was aware of this project because Boris, one of the members there, commented about this. I didn't know about this project before he told me. So I was reviewing it and thought it was very interesting in terms of technology, and it's easy to participate in the airdrop. So let's go to cover that. But remember, I have my subscription for my Discord, which cost less than a transaction on the Ethereum mainnet. And you also can add my application, which is an application that I created to register the airdrops and get track all your airdrops with one or multiple wallets. Doesn't matter, it's going to cover all your needs if you want to give another step on the airdrop hunter path. So check these videos so you understand how my app works, and if it fits your needs, then you can subscribe to that. Now let's go directly to the step by step on how to participate on Chain airdrop. Step 1 is you need to follow them on Twitter. Here is the link. And the step 2 is you follow them on Discord. You are going to need that because step 3 is complete the Crew 3 task. So some actions are testnet tasks, so you are going to need to see that. but others involve Twitter and Discord. So step 3 is complete your crew 3 task. I know that if you are already doing multiple airdrops, we are tired of crew 3 tasks, but again, for this case I think it's important because there are not much things to do for this airdrop besides crew 3 and the testnet. So basically follow them on Twitter, follow them on all the social media. They have a YouTube channel with 21k followers, so you can check videos about the project and all that there. So I think that is really interesting to know more about the project. But again, important thing is a standard beta testnet, so you need to accomplish this stuff. We are going to cover that of course in the next steps, but be sure to cover at least this task here, and then you have many other social stuff to do and all that. But again, there's a lot of tasks here, so try to start doing it step by step. Now, step 4. You can use their native wallet or use an ABM compatible wallet like Metamask adding the network. So for the native wallet, you need to do this tutorial, which is from the original documentation. So you click that link and you're going to see how to add the wallet extension step by step with the official documentation. We are going to need both wallets, but right now I'm going to do it only with my Metamask for the purpose of the video, but you need to have both wallets because some of the testnet's task is to move funds from one wallet to another. So follow these steps in order to get the native Fire wallet extension. Step 5 is I am using the Metamask and I recommend you to use the native wallet too. You are going to need it. So go into the testnet URL and click on get 1000 tokens of Fire. Put your wallet address and a max of 5 tokens per day. So click on that link. You are going to be sent here. I'm going to select here instead of native chain, ABM chain. I'm going to click yes. And now I will add Fire network to my Metamask. Here you have the network information, so click on approve and I will move to this network. Now if I click my Metamask, you can see I don't have any Fire tokens, so I will have it now and I am already connected here. So going into the step that we are doing, step 5. So I copy my wallet, put your wallet here, and here you need to put a maximum of 5 and then click on send. And you can see the transaction hash. They already sent me the tokens, so when you click again, you can see that I have 5 Fire tokens. So these 5 tokens, it will help me to do the other transactions that I need to do. So now that we are already connected with MetaMask and we have some tokens there, we need to do step 6. So step 6 includes, like I mentioned before, on step 4, you need to install the native wallet following those steps. Those are step by step, so that is why I didn't include it here. We already have the official documentation. It's really easy. I already do it in another wallet. So you just follow that documentation link on step 4 and you are going to be up to date on how to get the native wallet there. Then you can claim Faucet tokens there also. You need to transfer funds and you need to swap. You are going to have an option to swap native to ABM and ABM to native. So you are going to be able to do that when you have both. And you also can deploy a smart contract. That is a little more difficult to do. And like step 7, you can actually run a node too. So for running node, I already put the link there on how you can do that. It's a little technical. I don't know if many of you are familiar with programming languages, or even if you have Linux instead of Windows and Mac operating system. So probably that is not for everyone. Again, I don't think that is mandatory for the airdrop, but if you are interested on doing all that, you have the link there on how to do it. And here you also have the link. You can see how to deploy smart contracts using your native chain MSM or using an ABM. So if you're up to this, then you can add for your task deploying a smart contract, which is in step 6, or running a node on step 7. Myself, I am not really interested right now on doing that. I think we are too early here, but it could be something interesting if you want to enter into that. And the last step, guys, step 8, is give feedback in Discord. Here you have the direct link. But basically what you can see in the testnet feedback link that people mention here is they put the 2 addresses, the ABM and the native, and they show the transactions. The transactions that they are doing are all swaps or moving funds from one place to another. There are nothing more that we can do right now here. You can see blocks, you can see transactions, you can see the nodes and validators, get your Faucet tokens and see a dashboard on the Explorer, but you cannot do anything else besides that. So the interactions here are mainly the 0.6 that I mentioned, sending files from your different wallets and swapping from your different wallets. Right now, that is the common thing that we all can do. So guys, that is all for this airdrop. I will keep covering this and making updates if some new stuff appears, like a guild or another social stuff that they want for this airdrop, and as soon as I get more information about those steps. But for now, here you have everything that you need to do in order to participate on this possible and speculative airdrop of Vechain. Remember to check my subscriptions. My Discord is really cheap and we manage there more airdrops that I can cover on my social medias, even here in YouTube. And there we are up to date with distribution tokens. Everyone is checking that always, so we help each other. And many other things, guys. It's really exploding. More than 100 members and a very good vibe there, so I'm really proud of that. And my application also, guys, it will help you enormously to manage all your airdrops. So check it, you don't waste any time, just check my videos. That is why I did this video, so you can see my product that I personally use to manage my airdrops in order to see if you are interested to get a subscription on that. I only want to get that subscription if you really want that. So check these videos so you know exactly what you are going to get. Guys, that is all for Vechain, sustainability, blockchain, possible free airdrop, so stay tuned to that. And please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the documentations. Put your comments below. What do you think about this project? Have you checked it before? Are you aware of this? Put your comments below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.